So the basic design of sharks is extremely simple and very easy to understand because it has already been done before by the Japanese Space Agency, sending similar robots to Ryugu, an asteroid, and the rover is called Minerva. We have taken a lot of inspiration from their rovers. Our rovers will be 32 rovers, small hopping rovers that will be sent as pairs to a 360-degree, 27-kilometer perimeter. This is exactly how they will look like. Um, they will have solar cells on the sides because they will be hopping and using their internal torque as for movement. We will make sure that they have extremely strong grippers, like the Japanese Space Agency made the ticks to stand in front of them as extremely strong rods. We'll make sure we have a similar prism design, so it will form prisms like this, and we'll make sure that nothing harmful happens to the solar cells while it is hopping. The thing that is special about our rovers would be have extremely high definition wide angle cameras because they will be set in set of two. One will have spectrophotometers and polarized light lasers. The other will have high definition cameras on all sides to click the most high definition photographs ever would have been sent from the moon. They will be hopping and using their internal torque and small thrusters. They'll also be storing solar energy for all the functions that they'll be doing, like using their polarized light or taking photographs, and all the energy that is required for that will be stored in the capacitors. So exactly how will they do this? So they'll click extremely high definition photographs. This is 1/100th of what they will click. Using machine learning, we will and the neural networks that it will connect, it will try to understand and learn exactly what kind of photographs do humans classify as basaltic volcanic rocks, and that's how the machine will slowly learn how to identify and mark places for astronauts to visit if they want to collect samples of basaltic volcanic rocks. The second thing would be that it will use the polarized light from one of the pairs of the sharks to help us understand the difference between pristine rocks from all the other rocks, because polarized light makes pristine rocks different from the other rocks. The difference in texture by using extremely high, because there were two sets of cameras. One was the wide angle cameras, which are high definition. The other was precision cameras, which will help us understand the difference in texture and also mark if there are different types of polymeric vesicles present, so the astronauts can collect that if they want. I think the most important part of our sharks would be to give us high definition and very good geological maps of the differentiation in the difference in soils, because when we sent Luna, Apollo, and Changi, they all give us different results as to what has the difference in distribution of soil samples. Sharks will cover 27-kilometer perimeter and can give us an understanding if the lunar soil is very different from place to place. This will we think that we can understand that by using the ratio of this chemical ratio, which will give us the indifference of the lunar regular composition. This is exactly the basic design of sharks, and I hope you like it. Thank you.